Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2017 Ford Transit 350. This is a rear entry mobility wheelchair accessible van, and to operate the conversion in the rear, we got to have the key, turn to the auxiliary position. We have to have the emergency brake pulled up. So I wanted to show you that. And when I do that, I always leave the window down. That way I don't want to lock my keys in the car or in the Transit here. So we come over, open up these back doors. They're manual, and these can actually be swung all the way open by pushing the button here, unlock, and swinging them all the way around. And there's magnets. They'll stick up against those doors, so that way if you have a strong wind, these doors shouldn't come back and smack you in the head, because living in Kansas, we know all about a strong wind. So, and the next is make sure the lift is on. Come over here, hit unfold. You can see the lift goes down. Once it reaches the position here, we now hit down. And it goes to the ground, and you are ready to go. It doesn't move real fast, but you don't want it to if you've got people riding on it. Just like so. As far as the lift itself, is 33.5 inches wide, 48 inches deep. Entry height is 60 inches, a lot more room than some of those minivans, and interior height is 66 inches. It does have 800-pound lift capacity. I'll just show you the interior while I've got it open. You got your first aid kit there. Your remote can sit right here. Should this ever malfunction, you've got a manual jack you can actually use in here that will put the ramp, the lift up and down, so you're not stuck. Of course, the doors are manual, so no worries about those. Headliner looks great. It's got all these tie-down points, so you can put, as it sits now, you could get 2 passengers up front, 5 here in the rear, and probably get at least 3 wheelchairs, of course, depending on the size. And if you fold these up, which they'll fold up real easily. On these seats, you can see if I want them folded up, just got to come over here, pull them up, click them into place, and if I want them down, I pull the spring out. It's going to take 2 hands and put them down. So you can see how easy you can convert this. Boom, just like that. And you could probably get, it sits like this. If you get wheelchairs side by side, gee, you could probably get 5 or 6 in here. So a lot of versatility to this van. A very clean interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors. You can see the rear air vents. A little bit of storage up here. The dash is in great shape. I mean, the van darn near looks brand new. Whoever's had it's taking great care of it. Rear air controls. Have your passenger sliding door here as well, so you don't always have to come in and out the rear. Has your handle here for coming down your step. Got your flares, not your flares, your triangles. So super clean van inside now. Got this rubber floor that cleans up easy. Yeah, if you ever need to operate this manual, you pull the yellow jack out here, or the handle, put it in the jack here, and start cranking this thing. You can see it's moving now. Crank this thing up if I needed it to. So that's how you operate the manual operation. Has your jack in there also for the spare. That beeps because I stepped on this. There's weight on it. You don't want weight on that. So real nice, super clean van. Let me shut it all back up. When it's time to put it away, we hit the up button. Like I said, it has 800-pound weight capacity. It says right over here on the serial number. Shows right on that sticker right there, that top silver one. And then we hit fold. Folds right up. And you can see it hooks on the back, just like so. We shut our lift down. We come out and we grab our doors. Shut her down and we're ready to go. Tinted windows in the rear. All these tires have about 10-30 seconds on them. They're Continental, so they're not brand new, but they have a lot of tread left on them. It's got your running boards and steps down there. Let me back up a little bit. This thing's so big. Hard to find a dent or a scratch on this thing. It's been very well taken care of. I'm not saying it's perfect, but I'm saying that you're going to have a hard time. You're going to have to look really hard to find a blemish on this van. I put a picture of the top, everything up top looks good. Super clean van inside and out. We always show you the VIN number as well, so you know we have this van in our possession. We're not pulling some internet scam where we try to get you to send us a deposit or something like that. And speaking of that VIN number, if you come to our website, you can find our vehicles at www.mobility316.com. You can apply for financing. You can click Show Me the Carfax. We do a free Carfax with each one of our vehicles. You can see this van, no accidents or damage, just one owner. A commercial vehicle last owned in New York. And as we scroll down here, Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon. Brands on the title, they guarantee no total loss, no structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer checks out good. No accidents, no open recalls. We'll go over the warranty with you a little bit as well. And it does show the drivetrain warranty expires in 18 months or 43,000 miles and some change. So you still have the, according to Carfax, still have the drivetrain warranty on there as well. So we go the extra mile. We show you exactly what you're getting, so you know what to expect. That's why we do these Carfax reports. As far as the rest of the interior, very clean. Got this vinyl seating that's easy to clean. You know, if you get a mess or a spill on it. The dash looks great. It does come with the one key fob if you want additional keys made. Those generally cost $199 a piece. Talk to us about those. Have your owner's manual down there. When I go to fire the van up, turns right on. You can see the current mile is 16,703. Carfax shows original miles. No check engine lights on, no ABS, no dummy lights on, so that's great. That's exactly what we want. Also has the backup camera and backup alarm. It's your backup camera there, great safety feature to have. AC works great. Let me pop the hood here so you can listen to it run. And we've also tested all the power mirrors, power windows, power locks, heat, air, cruise. You know, I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. This is not some vehicle we just throw on the lot. We thoroughly inspect these vehicles before we put them on the lot, and that's why I'm making these videos. Underneath the hood, engine idle smooth. No signs of any leaks, no signs of any damage. Everything looks great. Got your emission sticker right there as well. And as I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. You know, and I'm always a little nervous buying a vehicle from New York, but I want you to see how clean this is. We actually bought this out of Florida, so just because the vehicle is titled in New York doesn't mean it actually stayed in New York. So I don't know exactly where this vehicle stayed, but it's very clean. No signs of any damage, no signs of any abnormal rust or anything like that. Super clean. And you know that's the number one mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because the miles are low, they assume because it looks good in pictures, you know, they assume because the salesman was nice to them, they assume it runs and drives good, they assume it's not all rusted out. And I want you to go to look at our competition. If you're out looking at vans, I'm sure you looked at a lot of them. How many times do they have pictures and or videos of the undercarriage? There's a reason for that. There's a spare tire there. They buy these vehicles that are all rusted out. They buy flood damage, they buy salvage, they buy accidents. They buy, you know, ones that are little pieces of junk, and they sell them to you. And they never tell you. They never show you. They don't show you the real deal. And you end up buying something none the wiser. So, you know, don't assume things. Demand a detailed video like this. I don't care who you're buying from. If you buy a vehicle online and it comes out, shipped out to you, and it's not what you're expecting, and you didn't demand a detailed video, well, let's be honest, you really only have yourself to blame. You know, people get burned on the internet every day. They lose their life savings. But don't be one of those people. Demand a detailed video just like this. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on a test drive. Give them some gas so you can hear the engine run. Feel the transmission shift through all the gears. And you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. The steering wheel's nice and straight. It tracks very nice down the highway. Runs and drives darn near like a brand new van. With that being said, please understand this is a used vehicle. We strongly recommend a very affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. Talk to me about those. They go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to 8 years. So, you know, protect your investment, folks. Also keep in mind, nobody in the country, and I mean nobody, goes the extra mile like Affordable Mobility Solutions to show you exactly what you're getting. We do detailed videos. We provide free Carfax reports. We do dozens of pictures, a detailed description. And oh yeah, we've got, last I saw on Google, we have 4.7 out of 5 stars. on our reviews. On eBay, we have over 800 transactions. Everybody's left us positive feedback. That's 800 people said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. So we've got a great reputation, and we do go the extra mile, so you know what you're getting. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers online have a real nice price online, and the next thing you know, they have $500 dock fee and a tag fee and administrative fee, and then you factor in shipping. That price that looked really good online is $3,000, $4,000 more, for a vehicle this big than you thought it was going to be. So that price isn't so nice anymore when you add all their hidden fees in. And my other point is, if someone tells me a vehicle is $10,000, other than sales tax, which we have to collect by law, other than sales tax, it should be $10,000. There shouldn't be a fee here and a fee there. If you can't be honest with me from the very get-go about the actual price of a vehicle, what else are you hiding? Are you hiding flood damage? Are you hiding mechanical issues? Are you hiding a salvage title from me? I don't know, but I just know if someone's not being honest from the start, I'm very hesitant to give them my hard-earned money, and I would think you would be as well. So, nice hard brake here. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. And there are a few little rattles back in this van, just to let you know. I'm not sure if you can hear them, but all bigger mobility vans like this are going to have that little rattles and creaks in them, just to let you know. With all the aftermarket equipment, it does move around, it does shift a little bit. So just want to be honest with you. And hey, if you ever want to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text. 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. I want you to call one of those big companies like Mobility Works or Braun, or one of the VMI companies, or Freedom Motors, and I want you to ask them, hey, are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? Because Jeremiah at Affordable Mobility, he's committed enough to give me a cell phone number, and that way if I ever have a problem, I can reach out to the owner and I don't have to go through 5 different people and end up in somebody's voicemail. We do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone. We can take one over the phone. We can send an application to your email as well. And to see our entire inventory with detailed videos and Carfax reports, look us up, www.mobility316.com. That is mobility316.com. And we do take trade-ins, so if you have a trade, talk to me about that. Talk to me how we can work that out. We'll make it work. I just wanted to thank you for checking out our Transit, and as always, thanks so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.